Cat Nap, written by Llewellyn and Jacqueline East. Coco the cat wanted a nap. She curled up in the cupboard. Mom opened the door. "Meow," said Coco, and she jumped out. Coco curled up on the bed. Along came baby Ella. "Wah, wah, wah," she cried. Coco went downstairs. Dad was downstairs. "Shoot, Coco," he said. "Get off my chair." Coco went into the garden. But Digby was in the garden. He ran after Coco. Coco curled up on a chair, but there were birds in the garden. "Tweet, tweet," said the birds. Along came Pete. "Hello, Coco," he said. "Let's play ball." But Coco didn't want to play. She wanted a nap. Coco curled up under a bush. Along came a bee. "Bzz, bzz," said the bee. "Meow," said Coco. At last, it was quiet. Coco curled up in the tree and went to sleep. Then down came the rain. Story finished. Good night.